Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn that how can we add and delete data into our dictionaries data structure. So first we will discuss inserting key with value to add data into our dictionaries, and then we will discuss pop method to delete data into our dictionaries. The same pop method we have also discussed in different data structures in previous videos. And then we will discuss pop item method which is unique, and then we will discuss update method in dictionary data structure. So all the things we are going to cover in this video. So if you want to learn all these things, please stick to me at the end of this video. So now let's get started. So I have created a dictionary called user info. This dictionary contains 4 elements. Each element has its own unique key and value. Now, so first we have inserting key with value method. So what is this? We can simply use indexing. So I can use user info, the name of the dictionary, and then the element I want to add in the dictionary, I have to write its key. Suppose favorite songs, and then I can insert its value. Suppose song 1 and song 2. All right, now as you can see, I can print user info. So if I run this program, you can see here favorite songs is also added in dictionary user info. So this is the simplest method we have to add data in our dictionary. So then what we have a pop method. So pop method we can use to delete data from our dictionary. So now we can also delete any items from our dictionary by using pop method. To enter key, and pop will return the value of the key that is being removed. All right, so we can directly print it. So if I comment this code, user info dot pop, and then I want to delete favorite tunes. Suppose that I want to delete favorite tunes, and then I can print user info. So in these two methods, the pop method will delete the favorite tunes. It will find the key favorite tunes, and it will delete its value and this whole element. And as you can see, if I run this program, you can see that favorite tunes has been deleted from our dictionary. So what is this step is returning? So as you can see, this step is returning the value of the element that is being removed. You can see we have written here favorite tunes. So the values of the favorite tunes is awake and blue are returning at the output. So the pop method will return the value of the element which is being removed. All right, now let's discuss about the pop item. So pop item method return the tuple element. So pop item method remove the last element of the dictionary. So we can also check the type. You can see in the parenthesis it is returning in the elements that is being removed, it is returning in the form of tuple. So I can also check the type by using the type method. As you can see, if I run this program, you can see the class is tuple. So it is returning the whole element in the form of tuple. So this is the quality of pop item method. All right, now we can also add data. We can also add dictionary within dictionary. So this we can use update method. So how can we use update method? For this I am going to comment this whole code, and then I am going to create another dictionary called more info. Sorry, I more info. So in this dictionary I am going to write, so I am going to name Tariq. So state, so state I have G, and suppose I have hobbies H1 and I have H2. So there is another dictionary I have, more info, which contains 3 elements. So as you can notice that if I am going to add more info in our main dictionary called user info. So first let's add it, and then I will explain print user info dot update more info. So this is the syntax of update method. I can in the argument I can write the updated dictionary which I want to add, and then I can print the dictionary in which the main dictionary we have is user info simply. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here, sorry, I don't have to use the print function here. I can remove the print function and then I run this program. You can see the name, as you can notice, I used the same key in more info and in user info. In these two dictionaries we have the same key but different values. So the value of the previous key is being replaced by the new key. So as you can see, the previous we have only Umair, and then in the new dictionary we have the whole name. Why it is that? Because in more info the new key replaced the value of the previous key. So or we have discussed update method. So that's all about today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.